Everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today is part 4 of the 5-part series of Amazon FBA product research in 2022. That sounds futuristic, 2022, right? Anyway, back to it. We're going to be going over the exact criteria that I use to analyze my products to decide whether or not I want to sell them. Is there anything more important than that? Is there anything more important in the world than this video? I don't think so, right? So be sure to stick around to the end. Be sure to subscribe and like down below so you don't miss this one or the next one or the last 3 that we did in this series. Other than that, guys, let's get right into it. All right, this video is going to be very straight to the point. We're going to be getting into the criteria right now. Get your notebooks out. Step 1, lack of relevant results. Now, let me use a different example for this. I'm going to use large galvanized bucket for this one. I'll tell you why in a second. Lack of relevant results. Let's just focus on this. If I scroll through here, how many of these are large galvanized buckets? That certainly is, and that certainly is. When I think of galvanized, I do not think of black. Could be a differentiation, who knows? I don't really think we should count that. 1, 2, 3, we'll count it. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if that's large. What's the standard for large buckets? 3 maybe? So here's the problem. A lot of these are small. A lot of them are very small. They're multiple pieces. They're not large. This is 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 large. 5 gallons. And that's large. 3 gallons as well. So I would say that we're passing this. I want to be kind of loose. I purposefully don't want to give you super specific criteria. I'm going to tell you lack of relevant results. And what I'll tell you, what that really should focus down to is as you scroll through the page, it's not so much that I'm focusing on what's right, more like I'm focusing on what's wrong. Should be easy for a lot of you. Most of you are doing that every day. When you come through the page, look for what's not the right product, okay? Red, no. This thing, the gravy pourer, no. Blue buckets, no. Mini buckets, no, right? All of that's wrong, and that's good. That's a good thing. If there's more things that are wrong, more things that don't fit exactly what the customer is looking for, that is good. And the reason that's good is because it's going to be easier for us to rank this product. That's ultimately what a lot of people get stuck on. They find the idea, they make it better, can't get it ranked, can't get sales. Well, we know that people are looking for large galvanized buckets, which we already determined in the last series, or last episode of the series. Then all we have to do is put up a large galvanized bucket, slight differentiation from what's already here, and we are in the game. So again, let's go back to our product ideas list. Look, any one of these would work, but I wanted to specifically mention why I changed from world map decor. This is kind of advanced. So this world map decor thing is a market. It's not a product. Decor does not refer to one thing. If it was world map sticker for wall, that would be one thing. But decor refers to a category of products. Be anything that has a map on it. So it doesn't really work here because everything's relevant and that's good. That's kind of what we're looking for with this, because this is going to lead us to multiple other ideas, if that makes sense. So when you see anything that's kind of a market and not a product, use that as leverage to find more ideas related to that market, if that makes sense. Anyway, let's go to step 2. Step 2 is that you want low quality competitors. Low quality competitors have short titles, poor images, and usually a lack thereof images. Generally have 3 to 5 when you should have 7 or 8. And they have maybe a bad product in general. So the actual rating of the product is bad. But I'm more focused on the first 2. Most people focus on the... Oh, I flipped you guys off. Sorry. Most people focus on the last one, actually. Product itself is bad. Well, guess what? You're probably going to be ordering from similar suppliers. You go to a market where the product itself sucks. It's actually really hard to fix a product where the manufacturers suck as well, or they suck at making that product, because you're probably going to be working with the same people. So if they couldn't fix it, why could you? It's usually expensive to fix. Make a new product from the ground up is not what we're trying to do. The product, I actually like to sell markets where the product quality is pretty good, and it's the creativity in the packaging that needs work, stuff like that. So let's take a look at any one of these. Let's go to the one that has 1,300 reviews. This is to purposefully demystify something here. I actually have never clicked on this. I'm doing this live. It's not actually live, not live streaming, but you know what I mean. 1,300 reviews, but guess what? There's 3 images. Did I call it or what? And there's also hardly any copywriting, and they have a short title. So the product's pretty good, which is good because we'll probably be getting a similar product. However, the listing is crap. Okay, so we can make beautiful packaging for this. We can do the photography right. Hey, people like the Coronas in there. Give them that Corona vibe. Throw some Miller Lite in there. I don't know. Whatever. It seems like every picture has beer in it. That seems to be the thing. I guess this is like a rustic country thing to do. Just crushing Coronas out in the South. Do that. Take the good elements of this and go run with that. But also expand on it. 7 images, higher quality images. Full copywriting. Description is probably non-existent too. Oh, they actually do have enhanced brand content. It's funny that they have enhanced brand content, but it's kind of generic. It's like for all their products, it looks like. It's not just for their specific product. Reviews, people love it. It's great. It's awesome. It's a good product. However, listings bad. Now, we want bad listings because it creates contrast bias. If I show you 2 images, one of them's crappy, one of them's amazing, probably want to buy the one that has the amazing image. Same product, right? That is what we're trying to do. So the more low quality competitors we have in things like images, copywriting, all that, easier it's going to be for us to be that shining beacon of hope in a market of depression. Way too extreme with the example, but you know what I mean? Like depressed ideas. The ideas are just slacking off. The presentation slacking off, rather, not the ideas. That's kind of what I try and look for. All right, so we're back to the market. Step 3, final step. The sellers that do exist that are low quality make sales. This is also known as proof of concept, but I did want to explain it. Open up X-Ray by Helium 10. If you don't have it, there will be an affiliate link down below where you can save 10% every single month, not just 1 month, and also I get a kickback from it, so win-win. We come in here, we're looking at sales already. There's nothing wrong with this market. There's sales for the buckets that we're looking for. Specifically look at the big ones. The large ones, okay, 55,000. Another large one, 22,000. And everything else is kind of small, right? We established that before. Another large one, 16,000. Again, don't get too caught up on the reviews. At this point in selling on Amazon, I don't care too much about the reviews. Markets I'm selling in right now. Main competitor, 650 reviews. I have 67 reviews, 71 reviews, something like that. One of the newest products I just launched. It doesn't matter, right? It does, but it doesn't. It's a dichotomy. If you have a way better listing in the product that everyone wants, who cares? 40 reviews, they'll buy it, even if they have 1,000 reviews. Stop playing the competitor game. Play the customer game. What does the customer want? Focus on that. That's more important. So we went through the 3 steps to recap. Lack of relevant results, making it easier for us to rank. Low quality competition down to the actual images and copywriting of that product. And then proof of concept, the products that have low quality listings that exist in this market where there's a lack of relevant results make sales. That's it for this video. Next time, we are going to be actually using everything that we did from start to finish to try and find a product so you can see it all together. I'll see you there. Thanks so much, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. See you in the next one. Later.